Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of flawless makeup. The kind that makes you feel amazing and confident. Don't worry, we're keeping it simple with easy beauty tips. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a seasoned pro, stick around. Because I'm sharing secrets to that perfect look. Let's start with your skin. The key to any great makeup look is healthy, well-prepped skin. Before makeup, cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser. Suitable for your skin type. Pat dry with a soft towel, and moisturize. Moisturizer is essential, even for oily skin, creating a smooth canvas. Primer is not always a must, but it can make a difference. It smooths your skin, minimizes pores, and makes your makeup last longer. Choose a primer for your skin concerns, like a mattifying primer for oily skin. Next, foundation. Finding the right foundation is crucial. The goal is to even out your skin tone. So choose a formula that matches your skin type and offers the coverage you desire. Test the foundation on your jawline to find your perfect shade. Apply with your fingers, a brush, or a sponge. For a natural finish, use a damp beauty sponge. Gently dab the foundation onto your skin, starting from the center of your face and blending outwards. If you need extra coverage, use concealer on the areas that need it. Blend it well, using a small brush or your finger. Remember, a little goes a long way. Now, let's set your makeup with powder. Setting powder keeps your foundation and concealer in place and prevents creasing. Apply with a fluffy brush, focusing on oily areas, like your T-zone. Moving on to the eyes, starting with eyebrows. Fill in your brows with a brow pencil or powder that matches your hair color. Use light strokes. Then, set your brows with a brow gel. For eyeshadow, keep it simple. Use a neutral palette with shades like beige, brown, and a light shimmer. Apply a light shade all over your lid. Use a medium shade in your crease to add depth. Blend everything well. Next, eyeliner and mascara. For a simple look, use a brown or black eyeliner. If you're a beginner, tightlining is a great option. Then, apply mascara. Add color to your cheeks with blush. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone. Smile and apply the blush to the apples of your cheeks. Blend it well. Finally, lips. Choose a lip color. You can use lip liner, and then apply your lipstick or lip gloss. For a more natural look, try a tinted lip balm. And that's it, you've got a flawless makeup look. Practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.